Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Motorola headphones to your MacBook. First of all, you need to turn off your headphones by using this power button. As you can see, in my case they are turned off because this indicator is not activated. Next we have to click and hold this power button until this indicator starts blinking blue and red. So let's do this right now. As you can see right now it's blinking. Unfortunately this indicator is not good visible, but right now take a look. It's definitely blinking blue and red. So when I enter for the Bluetooth settings on my MacBook, I have to go to the settings at the first. Next move for the Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and take a look for the nearby devices. We can find our Motorola JR300 headphones. So click connect. And at the end, if you are going to use microphone of this headphones, you have to go to the sound settings and take a look for the output and the input. Just be sure that Motorola is selected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.